Okay, the most valuable pot company is now worth more than big business names like American Airlines, Clorox, even CBS Corporation. This is Tilray, the Canadian-based marijuana company. The stock is halted. It actually was just halted a few moments ago. Again, the reason is volatility. Shares had spiked 63%. It was halted for a first time earlier today on the NASDAQ, and then it dropped into negative territory briefly. Then it jumped 40% before this last halt that you're looking at on your screen. This is pushing the market cap to over $21 billion on this company, a month ahead of the full legalization of marijuana in Canada. That's October 17th. Tilray's rise over the last 2 days created a broader rally among pot stocks. But according to analytics firm S3 Partners, short interest in cannabis, stop it, related stocks has increased 44% since the end of the second quarter, causing short sellers to lose about $500 million this year. Is the pot smoke bubble set to burst? You just heard him sniffing. That better not be a cold, Charlie Gasparino.
You high yet?
No stems, no seeds.
Is this stock halted because of you? I'm
well,
actually
I literally
dead
just
serious.
tweeted out that we were going to have an update on pot stocks, including Tilray.
Okay.
And then maybe there's some buy-in from that. But
what is going on with that stock today? That's insanity.
Here's what I think is going on with pot stocks. It's a combination of things going on, and this happened over the last couple of days. I decided to dive in today because I heard that Tilray was going through the roof earlier, and I know a little bit about the company. It's a medical marijuana stock, but you have a bunch of things happening at once. You have legalization in Canada. You have you have some brokerages in the U.S. like Cowen and Company putting money and analysts behind this and research behind the various pot stocks, Tilray, and there's a few other ones that that they're looking at. You have Elon Musk smoking pot on that podcast, which went viral. So it's more what you're saying is it's growing in acceptability. So you have all this together, including the legalization in Canada, and presto, you got a classic situation of what's probably a bubble. We do know this, and this is what I've been researching lately. Huge battle between short sellers and some of the brokerages like Cowen and Company, who thinks it's going to be a $75 billion industry over the next 10 years. Coca-Cola apparently is also looking at drinkable marijuana.
It's like a flavor. It's not like a pot Coke, but it's the flavor of it.
It sounds disgusting.
Yeah, it does.
And anyway, but if you want to drink and get high, go for it. So you have that going on. You have edibles going on. And then you have short sellers like Andrew Leff from Citron Research who say, dude, look at the valuations. This is insane. These companies don't make any money. If they're facing some degree of regulation in the U.S., there's going to be a study at some point that says pot is bad for you. We all know smoking pot is bad for you. By the way, I don't care what anybody says. I know people that, someone's coughing in the back there. It's not good for you. Putting smoke in your lungs is not good for you.
Yeah, but if you're terminally ill, and I do know people that have,
I mean, it helps.
Helpful.
It helps. It helps when you're taking chemo.
Pain
with pain. Yeah. But so you're facing those type of headwinds plus the valuations. It smells like Bitcoin right now. Just saying. And and here's the interesting thing that I heard from speaking around. The pot stocks are some of the most popular stocks bought through retail brokerages. So it's the shoe shine boy theory here. Remember when the shoe shine boy starts giving you stock tips?
You have a bubble.
You got a bubble, and I think that's what you got here. But who knows how far it's going? It's going to go up. The shorts, as you just said, are being getting crushed. Andrew Leff has not been doing very well on this call. But you got to think that these valuations are off the charts, and particularly with retail getting in. Usually, when retail gets into these things, it's lights out in a short order. But listen, I've been told that I know some of these people that at Cowen and other places that research this, that the edibles are good. Some of these people smoke pot. They think it's more powerful than it used to be when you were a kid. In high school.
No idea what you're talking about. I definitely have no idea what you're talking about. Mother who's watching.
Yorktown High School on the wall.
But I will say, look. It's legalized in Canada. It's legalized in several states. Here comes California.
Right.
I mean, and again, there is good uses for medical marijuana.
Although,
you can't fight the tape. I think
when Elon Musk smoked that doobie, what was it called? A spliff, right? Marco?
I don't know.
The thing that he did on the podcast.
I forgot. I don't even know.
Whatever.
I don't know the lingo. I'm sorry.
When he did that toke, right? We asked the Air Force, well, the guy's got a clearance. Can he do that and have a clearance? And they're looking into it.
They are looking into it. And
I mean,
he messed up on that one.
I'm just saying that there's a lot. I don't think you want people with clearances, security clearances, high all the time.
No, you don't. Charlie, thank you. I think. Hopefully nobody got in trouble or anybody watching.
By the way, I hear it's very powerful that when you eat edibles.
I don't know.
I know someone that went to a PTA meeting high on edibles and said it was the best PTA meeting she ever went on.
Thanks, Charlie.